Which of them? Okay. Okay, I think we are live. I hope so. Let me quickly double check. All right, I think we are live. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today on the community meeting. My name is Tuli and I'm holding the fort for ACE. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, especially if you are this side of the world, or a wonderful morning like Alejandra. So today I'm joined by Alejandra and Ife Olua. I hope I got it right. How are you doing?
Hi, okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How is everything
Okay.
going?
Everything is going really fine here. Thank you.
All right. Is it your first time joining us on a community meeting, right?
Yes, this is my first time.
Oh, nice. Welcome. It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Ale, how are you doing?
Oh, great. Just, we saw it starting up again and already going through applications for the mentorship programs. So keep applying, everyone. We're open until the 20th for technical writing stuff.
Yes. So, all right then. So today, let's see, what do we have on the agenda? Ace didn't leave an agenda for me, unfortunately. So today we are doing, what do you call it? A free runner. We are just going on vibes today. I hope I don't forget a lot of things. I hope so. So the first thing on the agenda, I think, Ale, would you like to start while I still figure out what I still look at the agenda? Would you like to start? Okay, so the first thing is the GSOL mentees are currently running a vote on a platform to decide where they're going to host the interactive docs. I hope I got it right. So we need the community to vote. So if you have any questions on the platform, or you want to have any insights, please do hop in on the call, on the discussion, and vote up, because it's very important that the community joins in, especially when it comes to the platform. So we have two platforms suggested. The first one will be on the Linux Foundation platform, and the second one, okay, there are two people on the room. I don't see them. Okay. Oh, the second one is Killer Coder. So those are the two proposed websites for hosting the interactive docs. So please join the discussion and hop in and vote on which platform you think the GSOD docs should be hosted. Ale, do you want to add anything else?
Oh, it might be kind of nice to screen share. There's a table where in the discussion that showcases the data very nicely.
Okay, let me quickly do that. Okay, let me do this.
And then while Thuli is screen sharing, just what she said, where we have two choices. We have Linux Foundation, which has offered to let us host our content with them, or we have Killer Coda, and we are potentially considering, hey, can we do both? So of course that would involve not just work effort, but determining the cost. So we want to make sure that if it's not too costly, we might be able to do both platforms, but if it's too costly, we might have to stick to one. And as Thulia is screen sharing, we can see that in the discussion, you can see us highlighting the features of both platforms, how content opting works, the technical requirements for each one, as well as, what interactivity you can do with each one and the cost. So really great work there done by Mafusa and Baswita. But we only have 3 votes so far, which is definitely not enough to make a huge decision like this. So please, everyone, leave your vote. We really need your vote.
Okay, thank you so much. So please, everyone, jump in on the discussion. It doesn't matter. Nobody needs to be expecting anything. We just need your opinion to see where do we need to host. And yeah, that will be so awesome. Okay, cool. So on the next thing on the agenda is the conference website. So currently the designs are done. So between this week and next week, ASNI will start opening pull requests on the implementation of the conference website. So hopefully we will start like between this week and next week. We'll start with the pull request, and if you want to jump in on that, you can also follow the discussion on the design website. Maya also is doing a great job. I just want to give a shout out to her. She's been doing amazing things, especially designing the conference website and implementation. So Maya, I appreciate you. I know I've been demanding quite a lot these days, but yes, I really appreciate the patience and the time you're taking like to really implement the fantastic designs on the coming conference, and it's so awesome. So so that aside, so yeah, so probably this week or next week we'll be opening up pull requests in terms of to start with the implementation of the conference website. Let's see, the next thing that we have is call for speakers for London. So as we announced the previous week that we'll be hosting Async API conference on tour in London on the 20th, I'm not mistaken, on the 20th of September. So we'll be coming in London. So call for speakers probably before the end of this week. Call for speakers form will be open. So if you want to speak in London, start drafting those proposals as soon as we open up. You can start submitting as well. So the kind of talks that we're looking forward to is anything related to Async API, be it a workshop, be it technical sessions, be it even community, be it design, be it API design. We're looking forward to receive a diverse amounts of talks. So it doesn't matter whether you are experienced or you are new or you are a first-time speaker, we welcome you to come and join us in London on the 20th of September. So please look forward to that as well. Yeah, and what else? Oh yeah, the mentorship program we're currently receiving applications for the mentorship program. So people can also send their proposals in. You can join the discussion as well to see the variety of projects that we have. I'm gonna paste the link on YouTube as well. You can join in on the discussion.
Oh,
and like yes.
So sorry to interrupt. Can we also share the link to the technical writing application?
Okay, yes, cool. Yeah, all right. Alejandra, sorry, the link again. Do you mind sending me the link, please?
Yeah, sorry, I put myself on mute. It's here in Zoom as well.
Okay, let me quickly check. All right, and then if you're a technical writer, please come and submit. We are also looking, we're looking to get like 2 to 3 technical writers for the mentorship program. So if you're a technical writer also, please come join and apply. It doesn't matter, we're not looking for experienced writers, but if you're someone who's passionate about open source and you want to contribute and build your portfolio, I think this is a chance that you can come and learn. And Alejandra is a great mentor. She mentored me until I am who I am today. So definitely take the chance. It doesn't matter whether you have a huge number of people, but as long as you're willing and as long you're passionate about open source, definitely give it a go. And I think the technical writing applications are open until the 20th of June, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, okay. The technical writing application is open on the 20th of June. Then the overall mentorship program for other projects are open until the 23rd of June. So make sure you do your research. And also, if you like some tips and tricks, you can join us tomorrow. We are having a Q&A session on the mentorship program. So you get an overview. What is the mentorship program all about? How do you apply? What does it entail? What to expect as well, so that you just don't apply blindly. So definitely be sure to join us as well. All right, cool.
May I quickly
Yes.
give one quick tip to help the technical writers?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. The biggest tip I can recommend is really remember that you are submitting a writing application. And I know that sounds a little bit silly, but sometimes the applications that I get, people are recommending things for engineering enhancements to the documentation instead of pitching content related to, writing new content that we need. So if you're applying, do remember to keep it focused on content that needs to be written and added or edited and updated, because that's not the same as submitting, great engineering enhancement ideas for the docs.
Yes, thank you so much, Ariane. And please do not copy and paste ChatGPT answers. I mean, I'm sorry to say, I don't know if you will come for me, but please, that's laziness. I mean, honestly, ChatGPT, I feel like instead of ChatGPT helping us, is actually ruining a lot of things, honestly. So please try and do your research, try and cross-reference, cross-check, and also do the research like on the community. I mean, the community is full of so many resources, well written by so many contributors. And so please do your research, do the due diligence. So please try and avoid copying and pasting ChatGPT answers, because we will know. Alejandra is very good at being the detective. She's very thorough with her job. So definitely she will know that this is ChatGPT. So please, after getting rejected, we really advise you, please, to be patient. We're only taking 2 to 3 technical writers for this round. So exercise patience, exercise a good behavior. Don't come for us, please. We are trying as much as possible. I don't know, Ale, do you want to add something on this?
No, yeah, that's a really good point. Thank you for bringing up plagiarism with AI tools like ChatGPT. I myself use ChatGPT almost every day to help my research and to generate new ideas. And also because it's kind of like having, really a little robot that I can throw ideas back and forth around, right? I can actually have a conversation with this chatbot. And so now I don't need to try to find a senior. I can use this chatbot to help me with the basic steps. So while I absolutely encourage everyone to use all the tools they have at their disposal, what Thuli just called out is very important. Using a tool to enhance your work is one thing. Using a tool to do all the work for you is lazy, just like Thuli called out. So yes, this is a formal application, just like any regular job. You need to put the work into it. You can't just copy and paste stuff. That's plagiarism. So definitely be very careful. So thank you, Thuli, for bringing that up.
Yes. On that, I think I've got some ground covered. So please do the due diligence. ChatGPT is here to help you, but not do your job. So please make sure that you do your research, and I'm sure with all the hard work, definitely everything will work out for your good. Okay, so what else do I have on the agenda? All right, spec docs. The spec doc meeting will be moved to the 22nd of June. So I would like to recommend that everybody who is interested in async API business, whether you're a technical writer, whether you're an engineer, whether you are new to the community, even for me myself, please make sure that you join in on this spec docs. If you have any questions regarding to the spec, Jonas and Alejandro will be there to answer most of the questions and give us guidelines, especially for those who are interested in writing the spec 3.0 docs. It's very important to join in this meeting so that you can have a better understanding on the changes coming and on the relevant information that we need. So definitely definitely do join. I'll also paste this the link on the YouTube chat. So please do join these meetings. So all right, what else am I missing? What else am I missing? Hey Savio, how are you doing? Okay, I think
Great. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah. So yeah, been completing GSOC GSOC issues currently, and would just add on, like whoever is going to participate in mentorship, do give your best, because I have talked with previous mentors, previous mentees who were the part of mentorship program, and they said the experience was great and they got to learn so much from this program. Yeah.
Yes, so please also do join. I hope a few past mentees from the past mentorship program will be joining us tomorrow. So definitely do come and join and ask questions as well. I mean, this is a great opportunity. Not only are you here to learn, also you get to get paid as well. That's an added advantage to it. Who doesn't like money? I do. Definitely. So definitely do join in and ask questions, prepare your questions, and definitely we'll try as much as our capacity, really to answer any questions you might have. All right. Does anyone have any questions, any additions or subtractions that they would like to add? Ifeoluwa, yes.
Okay. Earlier on, you mentioned you talked about voting for the site, I think API site, to be hosted on either Linux Foundation or another site.
Yes,
So
okay,
yes. So is there any way I can you please post the link to where I can vote, or am I eligible to vote?
Yes, everybody is eligible to vote. Okay, let me also paste the link on Zoom as well.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. There you go. Okay, cool. Let's see. What am I missing? It's so cold here in South Africa and it's been raining the whole day. I haven't even gone out the whole day, so my mind is really clouded today. So yeah. Okay. I covered most of the issues that I have from my end. I don't know, would anyone like to add anything? before we close? Okay. So today was a very short meeting. We didn't have a lot of things on the agenda. Shout out to Ace. Thank you so much for giving me the mic today. I hope I did a good job. So please, I hope I did a good job in hosting the community meeting today. And also I would like to appreciate everyone who's joined in today. I know you took time from your busy schedules to come and join me today. I know I babble a lot. So thank you so much for being patient with me today. I hope I didn't miss anything. And yeah, with that in mind, I think we can close today's community meeting. We'll have another one in 2 weeks' time. It will be in the morning, I think around 8 a.m. UTC, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I think we will have the next community meeting will be in the morning time for those who are in EMEA site. So yeah. So with that in mind, I think I'm going to close. Ife Oluo, do you have anything to say? Okay. Network, I guess it's network. Savio, any last questions? Or do you have any last thoughts? Yes, get well soon, Ace. Yes, Ace, please get well soon. Ife Oluo, are you still there?
Yes, I am. Sorry, I didn't have anything to say. Sorry.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
cool. With that in mind, wrapping up today's community meeting. Thanks so much for everyone for joining me, and have a lovely day, evening, morning, depending on where you are in the world. Bye, everyone.
Bye.